organizing the book section over here. We haven't done anything with it since we finished with school, so we're just going through them and getting everything organized because I'll be ordering school books for when school starts back later.
Already?
Yeah, I'll go ahead and order them. We still have plenty of weeks though, don't worry. Summer break is still long ahead of us.
Peace is still here.
Yeah, I just go ahead and get them ordered. While they're finishing up the books, I'm cleaning up everything else. I gotta switch out laundry, vacuum, wash dishes, yep, and then cook. We're having something fun tonight. We've been inside most of the day because it's been raining off and on. It's very, very muggy out there. Tonight is Friday.
Can we get candy from the dollar store? Manly, what kind of candy do you want?
We have popcorn.
We have mini bags and big bags.
Y'all sure? Yeah. Where is it? Oh, I see it back there. Okay. Man, that wind is really picking up out there. Supper tonight, waffle bar, waffle buffet, whatever you want to call it. The kids have been wanting to try these Fruity Pebbles waffles, so we have those. We have some blueberry waffles, and then I'm gonna make some with the waffle maker. I'll do a few regular, and then some of them we're gonna do bacon and peppers in the waffles because we're also gonna fry this chicken so we can have chicken and waffles. Titus had that at that restaurant in the mountains, and he said it was really good, so that's what we're gonna make tonight. Of course, our chicken isn't gonna be exactly like that restaurant's chicken was, but I think it'll still be good. I took a bite of his, but other than that, I've never had chicken with waffles before. Y'all let us know if you've had it and if you love it. It doesn't sound like it would go together good, but everybody seems to really like it. I'm gonna go get the waffle maker. We'll mix up the Hungry Jack mix and start cooking the chicken. We'll use this to mix up the waffle mix. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the oil in here for the chicken. I think just one batch of the waffles made with the mix here will be enough because most of the kids are wanting to try those other ones. Oh, just, have a little bit of bacon left over from this morning, so I don't have to cook any bacon. Let's see, we need 1/4 cup of oil, 1 egg, and 1 1/4 cups of water. We'll go ahead and let the oil be heating up for the chicken. 1/4 cup of oil. 1 egg. So what I'm going to do is just chop up the bacon and a pepper, and when I put the waffle on here, I'll just sprinkle a little pepper and bacon on it. And I should have enough to do a couple of regular ones just in case anybody wants just plain waffles. Let me get this bacon out of here. Me and Titus are the only ones who want the bacon and peppers in ours, so this should be enough. Oops, almost fell. This little cutting board, we got this from, where did we get this from? I think we got it from one of the antique stores that we were going to a lot when we were redoing the back porch. It's a local person that makes them, and he puts his name and date and everything, and what kind of wood it's made from. This one is from black walnut. John, looks like John McCarter. I think 2 peppers is gonna be good. I got 3 out, but yeah, 2 will be good. These are pretty spicy. They're serrano peppers. We got these from Walmart because ours aren't quite ready yet. First, I'm just gonna make a couple of regular ones. Oh, we're ready. I think we're ready to put put the chicken in over here. Okay, now we're gonna put some of the bacon and peppers on the glass tube. I'm just gonna sprinkle peppers around and some bacon. And I'll put just a little bit more of the mix on the top. Oh, that's hot. It smells good.
Everybody, the big moment has come. Here we go. Let's taste the waffle first. I got enough pepper and the bacon. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that pepper right there. This is jalapeno pepper and
Bacon.
right?
Mm-hmm. No, I'm sorry, serrano pepper. Serrano pepper.
That's really good.
It was his idea, y'all.
Let's dip below this chicken here, down in the pancake syrup. Hear that little crisp? Mm-hmm. That's good. That's really good.
This is one of my favorites, the very sleepy sloth. Are you feeling very sleepy? He's drinking his milk. He said no, he's not feeling sleepy. Deep in the jungle, early in the morning, the sloth was fast asleep. But the rest of the animals were wide awake. The cheetah was on the running machine, working on his speed. The elephant was lifting heavy weights, working on her strength.
What are those balls?
These? I think it's coconuts, maybe. Does it look like coconuts? Or some kind of melon? That sloth is so lazy, said Cheetah. All he does is lie there, agreed Elephant. Just dozing in his hammock.
Good morning, everybody. We gotta get some cattle up this morning, so we gotta catch a few horses. Let's get some coffee and get them saddled up. We had a farm the other day. We had some cattle up, and there was quite a few people over there. The guys didn't mean to, but they, just to simplify the whole deal, they let all the cattle out. It messed up the whole day, no doubt, but we went on and loaded up the horses and went on to the other farm down near Atlanta and got those up. You know, these things can happen in life, and like I say, I told the guys, I said, don't worry about it, it was just an accident, but we got to saddle up these horses and to go get these cattle up this morning. Hopefully, I'm gonna try to make sure that nobody leaves the gate open.